Hello friends! Today I'm going to show you how to decorate for spring or Easter with these cute ceramic eggs. The first thing I'm going to show you is how to make this little bunny out of a paper napkin and one of the ceramic eggs. For this one I used a pink napkin and a pink bow, but I'm going to show you a more neutral style using just a plain square napkin. These are any square paper napkins that you have laying around. So the way I'm going to do this is I'm going to fold open my napkin so it's a rectangle, and then I am going to fold it like a triangle, and then I'm just going to fold it once and twice so it's going to look like this with the little pointy ends. Then I'm just going to take my egg, place it directly in the center, and then bring up my little bunny ears like that. And then I have a little piece of twine, and I'm just going to tie a little knot right around here. And then I'm just going to snip the excess off of there. So now I have my little bunny egg. So there's a lot of cute things you can do for Easter with these eggs. So if you want to make a table place setting, here I have my charger, my plate, and then my salad plate just nicely layered right here. So the first look I'm going to show you is simply just take your little egg and put it right in the middle. You can use this with any color. You can do just a plain white bunny, you can do pink, you can do an assortment of pastels. The second thing you could do is we have this little twine wreath, so you could put the bunny egg in there and have the bunny up, or if you don't really do Easter and you just want kind of a spring look, you could take any colored egg and place it there for a cute little centerpiece. We can do the same thing with our eucalyptus wreath. I'm just gonna place this on here, but for this one I think I'd want to layer quite a few eggs because it's really bushy, so you could kind of put 3 little eggs right in the center, and then you have a little nest look. So the next thing I'm going to show you is kind of like a little centerpiece. So for your table, I love this wired basket. See it better. And this one, the holes are kind of big on the bottom, so I'm just going to take a little cup and place it down at the bottom so that my eggs don't fall through. And then I'm simply going to take all my little eggs and place them in here, just kind of random. I'm going to take the bunnies out. Alright, now I have my little egg centerpiece. So you could leave it just like that, or have some really pretty faux baby's breath. And if I wanted to put that in the center, just take one egg out, kind of prop it like that. And there you have a really pretty Easter or spring centerpiece. If you wanted to do this kind of on a smaller scale, we have this little lantern. And what's really cute with this guy is to just take, this is like for packaging or gift wrapping. You have it at any local craft store, or you could make some of this by simply just cutting up strips of craft paper that you have lying around. So I'm going to lay it here, kind of like a little nest, and then you can just place one little egg inside there, and it's really cute. If you don't have a lantern at home, you could do the same thing with simply a clear glass jar or vase or even a cup, and that's another cute way to do your centerpiece. You could just put the glass jar right in the centerpiece when you set your table, and then just take some more of this, place it in there, and you can place your little egg. And then if you wanted it to go back to that little bunny, I took these off earlier, but they just slide right back on. So this was the paper napkin that I did at the beginning. And then now we have a little bunny look. And that's gonna conclude the day.